Ngayon, ang F4 member ng Detention sa Batanes kasama si Ina Calzado. At nabighaan niya ang Taiwanese sa ganda ng lugar. Makichika kay Gar Santiago.
Apat na beses na nakarating sa Pilipinas si Enzo. Pero itinutuloy niya ang pinakabukod dahil ang pagpunta niya rito ngayon para gawin ang pelikula nila ni Ina Calzado na Batanes.
I love this place. This is a paradise, actually. I didn't expect this movie to turn out like this is so cool. This is just like I've never seen a place as beautiful as this.
Mabiglang makatao sa Batanes ay gusto ni Ken dahil napakababait at hindi daw sila ginugulo. First time ni Ken na nakatrabaho ang mga Pilipino sa crew at pulit-pulit niya ang mga ito.
They are definitely the most heartwarming ones, you know. They make me feel like home every day, you know, and then it's really good. Now they are like family to me.
Gusto rin sa trabaho ni Ken ang initigay niyang si Shida. Sa likod ng camera, natuo ang magandang friendship nila.
She's a cool person, you know. You get along with her very easily. You just 1, 2, 3 started talking, and suddenly she's like a good friend. So it's been my pleasure working with her. We had a lot of fun every day.
Dahil yung nagustuhan ang Batanes, plano raw ni Ken na bumili ng property doon.
I'm thinking about doing a little next year because I think this is a very promising site, but there's a lot to do.
Habang dumagaan ang mga araw, lalong nadagdagan ang paghanga ni Ken sa lugar ng Batanes. Dito pa lamang daw, sulit